Gender inequalities, that is, unfair treatment, unequal opportunities, or unequal burden based on sex or gender, compromise health and development worldwide, with consequences of such inequities being greatest for the most socially marginalized women and girls in low and middle income countries. To monitor and assess the success of efforts to improve gender equality and empowerment across the globe, a more comprehensive array of scientifically valid measures is needed. Unfortunately, the science of gender measures has lagged behind the rapid expansion of programs and policies being made under SDG Goal 5. While good measurement is fundamental to good data and data driven decision making, good measurement cannot exist without conceptual understanding of what is to be measured. To that end, we collaborated with experts from across disciplines to conceptualize gender empowerment to guide quantifiable measurement. This work was led by Emerge, a BMGF funded project housed within the Center on Gender Equity and Health at the University of California, San Diego. Our framework draws from multiple disciplines and theories and posits that the process of empowerment starts with critical consciousness, which is a process by which individuals and collectives first apply critical thinking to assess their current situation and develop an understanding of the roots of their problem. This process includes consciousness of choice, aspiration and goal setting, and conviction in choice. The framework recognizes that decision to aspire for change can be difficult, particularly in the face of severe social sanctions or disapproval. At this stage, uncertainty is reasonable given the backlash an individual or group may face in engaging in behaviors against social rules. Next, we shift our focus to agency by highlighting its key elements: can, act, and resist. Can is the actor's capacity or efficacy to engage in actions against or inconsistent with the power structure. These can be perceived or actual self efficacy, as both influence action. Efficacy or control over resources or assets would be included here. Act is the action of individuals or collectives that are aligned to their choices and goals and may or may not be against those defined by the power structures for them. Actions can include giving voice or communicating one's goals, decision making about issues affecting one's goals, or simply engaging in direct actions to achieve one's goals. These actions may occur with or without the knowledge and an input from those in positions of power. When actors act, they face external response to their actions from those in power. External response can be positive or negative, with negative responses including punishment, suppression, or sanctions. Resist is a consequence of negative external response when actors continue to act despite the backlash they face. Resistance involves engagement with someone with power or authority over the action and may include bargaining or negotiating with power structures. It is important to note that this framework is aimed at guiding measurement of empowerment in a general sense. We recognize that achievement of self determined goals can vary immensely based on context. The framework also identifies that achievement of goals can have substantial temporal variations, with some goals being achieved sooner while others may take longer. The framework also recognizes that achieving one's goal does not necessarily mean that their lives are fully altered. However, the framework underscores that achieving self determined goals, irrespective of its scale, can engender an environment of empowerment for individuals and collectives. Interested viewers may scan the QR code to get more details on the empowerment process.